Hello, Digital How-Tos. Today I have something new and exciting for you. Using AI to create a business that can make you, 15,000 at least a month if you just stick to it and keep going at it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on Etsy, and I'm on Etsy right now. And this is a niche that I was looking at that actually makes really, really good money. So right here, I put in 12 educational posters. And if you scroll down and just kind of do your market research here, it shows here that this 48 prints, 14.8K people downloaded. And then you just got to keep looking. This one's 1.4, which is still really good. And then 14.8. So these are posters, they're digital posters that you can create and people can buy off of you for school, or a lot of parents, they homeschool their kids. So this would be perfect for them. So now what we're going to do is, now that we got the niche down, I wanted to show you this too. This is so cool. So this store is called Ricky Tiki Art, and they have books, journals. So for example, Nature Journal. If you click on that, it's all about nature. The entire book is about nature, and it comes with all these things that you can use. And it talks about dandelions, so forth. So you can create a book like this, a printable book like this that they can print out, and they can teach your kids, and they could learn everything about nature. But we're going to do something a little bit less time consuming just to show you guys. So we're just going to make one of these posters. So first what we're going to do is go into ChatGPT, and I've already prompted. So I said, give me 10 educational poster ideas for kids. And this is what it came out with. These are the 10 ideas here. And out of all of them, I think I'm going to try I think I'm going to do Solar System Adventure. So I'm just going to copy this. Command C, and I'm going to put write out in detail about this, and then it's going to write out everything. Section 2, the gas giants. Okay, so it's writing out everything. Explore the wonders of our cosmic neighborhoods. Okay. So then on the bottom, it shows you here, the Solar System Adventure poster is a passport to understanding the wonders of our solar system. As you explore each planet, you'll be amazed by the diversity, unique features, and yada, yada, yada. So once we get this, we're going to go into Discord and use Midjourney. And I want to create a bunch of stuff here. Okay, so the first one we're going to do, I was working on something earlier here, so I'm just going to finish that. This is for my upcoming Halloween project. And okay, so first what we're going to do now is we're going to go back and we're going to pick Mercury. So I'm just going to copy that. Then I'm going to go into ChatGPT. Or sorry, I'm going to go into Discord to Midjourney, and I'm going to / imagine. Just write that. And I'm just going to send it. So I'm going to go down the list and basically make every single one of these planets with ChatGPT. And because it's for kids, you know what? I'm actually going to make it look cute. So I'm going to imagine a cute, kawaii image or clip art of the planet Mercury. White background. So Now we're just going to wait for that. So I'm going to go down and do every single planet here, and then I will be back to show you once I've prompted every single planet, because that's going to take a little bit. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've generated all the pictures for it here. And now we're going to go into Canva. And I told you in the beginning that we're picking, or earlier, sorry, that we're picking A4 for portrait. And it shows up like this. Now we're going to put in planets under designs. And it's going to show you a bunch of stuff like this. And you can pick, you know, whichever one you want. And you can obviously change it. So let's find like a template that we like. Let's find something educational for kids that are super cute. Okay. But that's a book design and that's not what I want. So let's try something like this. So let's try this. So we're not going to say tracing book, but we're going to put, so you just change the title. Okay, Command C, and then I'm just going to take out the date. So you just tweak it to how you want it to look. And then once you're satisfied, move it up. I'm just going to make this a lot smaller. Okay, whoops. Just going to move that there. Change this background. Actually, I'm going to move this over. I'm going to change this background to a green and then move, oops, and then move this back. So it has more of a pop. Okay, so look under the picture of the planet, unscramble the words, and write on the line. So we're going to just take that out, and we're going to just move this guy here. And you just use a template and you just play around with it. So let me just do this really fast and then just show you. Oh, also you have to go into your downloads because I downloaded all the Midjourney stuff right here. So we're just going to bring that in, and so for example, we're going to take this and we're going to put it in there. Then we take the next one, we put it in here, and then you can move it. And then we're just going to take these out. Whoops. Why do I keep moving this thing? Okay. So we're just going to take this out. Okay. And then the next one is this, and then this, and then this. So I'm just going to add all the planets in here, like so. And so the first one says, okay, Mercury. So we're just going to copy that, Command C. Then we're going to go back into our Canva. And I'm just going to pick an element. I'm going to do a bubble. It's not that kind of bubble. Let's see. Let's do this one. So then we're going to write a text and paste that. Oops. See, and I moved the white again. Okay. I'm just gonna expand this like this, move it in. And then just pop that in there. And then maybe some lines. Let's put in lines. Oops. Okay. Then I'm going to move my line up here. So there's my first one. Okay, you know what? I don't like this green, so I'm going to change it because it's too bright. So let's do that. There you go. Then the next one you're going to do, go to elements again, and we're going to do a bubble. Let's check out all the bubbles, and then we can do this one for planet Earth. Because we can even make it smaller like this. Zoom this in. Because we got to fit all 9 planets, but also make it look cool. So, and you can zoom in here to see what you're doing. Actually, I don't like that. Let's do this. Let's change Earth over here. And let's just turn this. There you go. Now for Earth is this one. Command C. And then we're going to go back, add a text. And so I'm going to do this whole entire thing, and then I'm going to come back and show you when it's done, because it's going to take too long for me to sit here and change this. So I'll be right back. I finished it. This is how it looks like. This is just, you know, solar system adventure. Explore the wonders of our cosmic neighbors. That's exactly from ChatGPT. And if we zoom in, it has the planets and what each planet says and does. Closest to the sun, this is Mercury, and so forth, so forth. So these are all, and then all you have to do is click share, and you're going to download, and then you want to share it as a PDF file. So it's the best way for documents, so when they get it, they can just print it out. So you're just going to click PDF standard and save it to your computer and upload it to Etsy. And obviously I wouldn't sell just one page. I would be selling multiple pages. So this would be the first page. And you know, if you're gonna like design the cover, then you would find like, you know, something about, I would pick, let's see, like I would pick this, for example, and add a new page, and then, you know, change everything here. And you know, I would make at least from what it is on here, like I wouldn't do this, but so for example, where's the educational stuff? So here, there's 48. So obviously the more you have, like this person has a 48 set. So the more you have, the more you can charge, but also the more you can make. So if you're just making one page, people aren't inclined to buy it. So at least 12 digital prints like this. I just did one really quick one to show you guys that it's that easy. And obviously you can make it look a lot nicer if you spent more time on it. And, you know, like you could just pick different designs and change it. Like this one would be a good one to change because the coloring and everything, kids love color. Like this, I could go in and I could probably, you know, change it to red or orange even. You know, so you can play with it and make it stand out. So then that way it doesn't look so boring when they print it out and they read it. You can have facts, and then the next one, it would be a page about each planet, like say Earth, and all the facts about Earth. And then the following page after that would be like a quiz about what you just learned about Earth, and so forth, so forth. So these are just some ideas that you guys can get started on selling digital prints on this niche subject that I found on Etsy. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys like to see next. See you in my next. Bye.